Sensory play is more than just fun. It's a crucial part of early childhood development. It engages your toddler's senses: sight, touch, smell, sound, and taste, helping them explore the world and build essential skills like fine motor control, problem solving, and language development. By providing a rich sensory environment, you're fostering curiosity, creativity, and even emotional resilience in your little one. Unleash the power of play with 73 DIY educational and fun activities to keep toddlers busy at home. Dive into a world of sensory adventures that turn everyday moments into learning opportunities. This must-have guide is packed with simple, engaging, and budget-friendly activities that will keep your toddler entertained while supporting growth and development. Grab your copy today and transform playtime into the best part of your day. For more sensory play and gentle parenting tips, like and subscribe on Gentle Parenting with The Honey Pot. Thanks for watching.